Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the fan speed on a Woozoo fan. And this will be an easy tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a Woozoo fan, and right now I have it in its sort of shorter mode. I did it like this so you can see the actual fan and the control board sort of in one camera frame for the most part, so that it's easy for you to understand exactly what I'm doing. The extension sort of pole for making it in its tall mode is over here, and as you can see, I have it disconnected, so it is in its short mode. And obviously, if you want it in its tall mode, I have, there's this additional piece. Just so it's clear why it looks like this, in case you're used to seeing yours maybe taller. And it is plugged in, so it is ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on using the power button. As you can see, I have it pointed in this direction, so hopefully you can hear what I'm saying, because I don't want the wind going into the camera, because then it might muffle my voice, or it might throw off the audio of this specific piece of content. So I have it pointed in this direction, okay? And I'm going to keep it pointed that way, so hopefully you can hear what I'm saying the whole time. But I'm going to fully explain it before I demonstrate, just in case the wind does end up hitting the camera. So basically, right now we're on the lowest fan speed 1. In order to turn the fan speed up or increase it, you have to press the plus button, which is over here. You can see I brought it to 2 by pressing the plus button, and to bring the fan speed down, to decrease it or lower it, you press the minus. Very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the fan speed all the way up to 12, and then I'll bring it down to 1 just to show you how it works. So right now we're at 1, I'm going to press the plus button, and we'll bring the fan speed all the way up. So hopefully this audio is fine, but as you can see, the fan speed is at 12. It's blowing quite a bit of wind. It's creating quite a bit of air movement. But like I said, I have it pointed this way so that hopefully the camera can still hear my voice totally fine. I don't want it to be muffled. But then we're going to bring it back down to 1 by pressing the minus button. And as you can see, now the fan speed is much lower and it's moving less air. I did do a previous video totally unrelated to this, and I filmed it outside and the wind was blowing heavily, and I didn't realize until after the fact, but the audio was really, really iffy because the wind was blowing into the camera. So I mean, you could still make out what I said, so I still did go through and publish the video, but I've learned my lesson that if I know it's going to be windy, try to avoid the wind hitting the camera if possible. At least the microphone part on the camera, just to get the best audio. So lesson learned, and hopefully it's working well for this video. So that's how to adjust the fan speed, and you can also see that on the remote you're going to have the same capabilities. Just give me a moment. So here's the remote, and as you can see, we can press plus in order to bring the fan speed up. Okay, as you can see. So we've now brought the fan speed all the way up, and then we can press minus to bring the fan speed back down on the remote, as you can see over here. Very simple. I'll give you a better view of the remote. You can see over here, plus is over here, fan speed comes up, okay, just as you can see in here. And then the minus over here brings the fan speed back down. Very simple. You want to increase the fan speed, you press the plus, whether it's on the actual control board or the remote over here. Just like that, the plus over there, all the way up. And you want to decrease the fan speed, you press the minus either on the control board or on the remote right here, the minus. Very, very, very simple, easy to do. And that's it. I think, this video could have been like a minute and I could have explained it really quickly, but I really wanted to give you the best explanation that I could possibly give you. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to turn this off. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I've got nothing else. So yeah, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. And yeah, hopefully you feel like you've learned fully how to do it based on my explanation. But yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.